Hello everyone. In the past few videos, we saw exercise for beginners. So this video is going to be for intermediate. As you saw in the thumbnail, today we are going to practice Hanumanasana splits. Yes, this is of course somewhat difficult. You can't do it in just practicing 1 or 2 days. But I am guaranteed if you watch this video fully and practice along with me, definitely you will see improvement on your practice and you can attain the perfect position soon. If you are new to this channel, this is Sundaram and this channel is almost everything about yoga. If you are interested in this topic, click that subscribe button and bell icon as well as select the option all so that you will get notified every time whenever we are uploading interesting yoga related videos and essential healthy tips. Before starting Hanumanasana, we need some warm up. So I suggest you to do Surya Namaskar at least 6 times. I am leaving my Surya Namaskar video in both I button as well as in the description box. For Hanumanasana, we are going to feel the maximum stretch in our inner thighs as well as in our hamstrings and a little bit stretch in our ankle too. And also this is important, you need to open up your hips. This is because many will do Hanumanasana like this. They can come but they can't strike the leg which is in the back side. This is because they can't open up their hips. Let's see stretching exercise for all these parts, okay? First, stand straight and also make sure your feet are facing in the forward direction. Slowly with inhalation, lift your hands, try to touch your shoulders near your ears and slowly bend with an exhalation. Bend and try to touch your palms on the floor. If you can't stretch this much, you can take any books like this and place it. Or if you have yoga blocks, you can also use that. Place this and the posture is to, you need to touch your chin on your knees. Slowly stay and breathe for 10 seconds. And if you are comfortable, you can reduce the heights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up with inhalation. Exhale normal. Do the same for opposite leg. Stand straight, make sure your feet are also facing front to front side. Inhale. Exhale and bend forward. Stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly inhale and come up. Exhale and normal. Next, Trikonasana. For Trikonasana, split your legs 2 to 3 feet and then slowly raise your hands up to your shoulder level with inhalation. And slowly tilt your right leg to your 90 degree and slowly bend your right side with exhalation. And place your right palms near your right leg. Same as the first one. If you can't do this, you can even use any books or blocks, okay? Now I can do this easily, so I am placing this. Slowly you need to look upside and try to look your palms of the hands which is above your head. If you feel pain in your neck, you need not to look up, you can even look down. Stay for 10 seconds in normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale and come up. Do the same for opposite leg. Tilt your left hand, bend with exhalation. Place it on the floor and look upwards. Never bend your knees. Stay for 10 seconds with normal breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly with inhalation, come up and come to your normal position. Now come to V posture. This is also called as Parvatasana. You need to place your whole legs on the floor. Don't rise like this. Place it on the floor and slowly bend inwards, like your chin should touch your chest. And never bend your knees like this. Try to straighten and bend inwards. Stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly with inhalation, come forward. Now place your toes outside. Come to Bhujangasana position. Arch back with inhalation. Stay in the posture with normal breathing for 10 seconds. Wherever you can stretch, stop there and breathe. Even it can be in this position or even in this position. Okay? Slowly, by everyday practice, we can improve our stretch. Stay for 10 seconds, normal breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Make sure your hip is on the floor. Don't rise like this. Place your hip on the floor, okay? Now come to fourth position of Surya Namaskar and place your both the hands inwards. Make sure your knees are not going like this. Place it erect and also ensure that you are not making a box. You should stretch like this. Your left side hip should come forward. Okay, stretch, stretch, stretch. You need to feel the pain in this inner thighs. Okay, stretch more, and with normal breathing stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly change your legs. Okay, again stay for 10 seconds. Now push your right hip frontwards and feel the pain in your left inner thighs. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now the same with half elbows placed down. Okay, this is going to be somewhat intense than what we do before. Feel the pain in these areas. Okay, stay for 10 seconds. Look up and stay for 10 seconds with normal breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now change your legs. Place it. Okay, let's stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now come to this posture. If you can't place these parts on the floor, you can even place a pillow here. Even you can place a pillow here and stay. Wherever it's possible, wherever you can stretch your maximum, stay there and hold your breath. Okay, make sure you are placing your knees somewhat outwards. You are not doing like this, do like this. Okay, place your knees somewhat outwards your body. Okay, lift your hands and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bend forward. With exhalation, bend forward and stay here for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Change your legs and do the same. Make sure your knees are outwards, not you are doing like this. Do like this, then only you can feel the stretch in your inner thighs and you can loosen your hips. Okay, stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come up. Now again come to the fourth position of Surya Namaskar. This is going to be somewhat intense. Don't practice this in the first day itself. Do it after 2-3 days practice. Okay, if you are practicing Hanumanasana for a while, you can do this. Just come to this posture. Again, don't make it as a box. Stretch your left hip forward and try to push your toes inwards with your left leg. Place this hand here and feel the stretch in these areas. Okay, stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, keep on pushing. Push, push, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax and do the same for opposite leg. Okay, catch your stretch more, catch it and place your hands, slowly push. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Also make sure your knees are not going like this. Your knees should be staying here forward. Okay, after this we are ready to practice Hanumanasana. There is another tip. What is, you can use socks while you are practicing in the tiles, so that it may help you to slide more. Okay, first place your right leg here itself. Slowly get back your left leg until you can stretch this much. Then slowly bring your right leg forward. If you are using socks in tiles, it will be easy to slide. Okay, stay here for 10 seconds wherever it's possible. If you are stopping here, place a pillow right here and stay for 10 seconds. Okay, let me stay here. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Inhale and come up. Slowly change your legs. Make sure your legs are straight. If you are doing like this, then this is completely wrong. Do Bhujangasana as much as possible as we did first. Okay, change your legs now and stay again for 10 seconds. Okay, 10, 9, 8. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs, hamstrings and also in ankles. Just feel it. Don't mind it as pain. Okay, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly bend forward and catch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly with inhalation you can come up and relax. After this you can lie down in Shanti-asana like this. If you feel more stretch, if you are feeling more pain, you can do this also. Place your right leg on the left thigh. Make sure it is in the center of your leg and place your toe pointed. Slowly catch like this. Okay, catch like this. You are not bringing up your chest, but try to push it back. You need to feel the stretch in these areas. Okay, slowly bend it inwards. You are not lifting up, you are just pushing. While doing this, your right leg should push outwards and you need to pull your left leg inwards. Okay, stay for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Change your legs and do the same. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly relax in Shantiasana. Relaxation is must as much as you exercise. So relax as much as possible until your breath comes to your normal state. You can relax. If you wish to have pleasant music, you can check our meditation music playlist also. That also I'm giving in both I button as well as in the description box. Hope I have explained each and every step clearly. Still, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment box. You can also DM to my Instagram account personally. I am repeating again, if you can't do it in 1 or 2 days or even 1 week or 1 month, no matter it is, practice every day with your fulfilled heart. I am guaranteed everyone can do this. Time will be varying according to everyone's physique. Okay, so keep on practicing, and after completing, post it in social media and give the link in comment box. I will be happy to see that. Okay, if you like this video, click all those buttons, like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video completely. See you soon in the next session. Bye bye.